Thinking of running a faceless YouTube channel, but still want your characters to talk, react, and engage without ever showing your face? Then you're gonna love this. Today, I'm showing you how to use a powerful, completely free AI tool called Hedra that lets you lip sync any character or avatar to your voice, script, or even AI-generated speech. It's perfect for content creators, animators, voiceover artists, literally anyone who wants to create engaging faceless videos. Welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Kasiwa, and I'll be your tutor for today. If this video helps you out, please do these 3 simple things to support the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. That's how you support the community and help us grow this channel, and I truly appreciate it. Oh, and if you're wondering how to use Hedra AI completely free and without any limits, we've already covered that in another video right here on Big Wiz Media. It's super helpful, so make sure to check that one out too. The link is in the description and popping up in the cards above. All right, let's dive in and bring your faceless YouTube content to life using nothing but smart tools and creativity. Let's get started. Visit Google and search for Hedra. Click on the first search result. Once you're on the Hedra website, click on the hamburger icon and then click on Sign Up. Open a new tab and search for Smail Pro. Click on Temporary Email Tools. Let's generate a new email address by clicking the plus icon. You can select either Microsoft or Google, but I'll stick with Google. For the domain, I'll choose gmail.com. And for the server, I'll choose a free server, of course. Now click Generate. Once the new email address is created, copy it and head back to the Hedra website. Paste the email address, choose a strong password. I'll use the Suggest Strong Password feature in Chrome. Confirm the password and click on Create an Account. A verification code will be sent to your email address at SmailPro. Go ahead and copy it from there. Then return to Hedra, paste the code, and confirm your account creation. Now, log into your Hedra account. Let's start creating awesome content with this tool. Can I hear you say, power? Accept all the terms and conditions by Hedra and click on Create Account. Good. We're now in the Hedra dashboard. Mind you, you'll be given 300 credits to start creating with Hedra. If they get exhausted, you can log out and create another account using SmailPro. Keep repeating this to enjoy unlimited AI lip sync images to video creation. You're welcome. To start creating faceless content, we'll need an avatar or a character. Let's generate one with Hedra. Click on Image. We are about to create an avatar using Flux. Select a reference image. I'll use a picture of myself. Important note, if you want your avatar to be in 16:9 ratio, make sure your reference image is also in 16:9 aspect ratio. To achieve this, I merged 2 of my pictures into one. Once selected, let's describe the image we want to create. I'll use this prompt. You can copy and use it too, but remember to change the name to your brand. I'll paste it here. There are many models to choose from, but I'll stick with Flux Context Pro T2i and click Generate. Hedra will start preparing our image. Voila! Our avatar is done generating. It looks nice, by the way, but I wish my hands were a bit open and showing some talking gestures. I'll download it anyway. Let's tweak the prompt a little. I'll upload my image again, paste the prompt, and add a few lines to it. Make it look like she's talking with hand gestures. Then click Generate. Hedra will start processing the image. Amazing! Our second image is done. One thing I always do is upscale the image to its highest quality. Let's do that using Canva. Open the Canva app. Click on the plus icon. Then upload and select the image we just generated with Hedra. Click on Use in a new design. Once all the features load, scroll to the end and click on Image Upscaler. Select Page to upscale the entire page, then click Continue. Tilt the size slider to the max and click Export. Canva will start upscaling our image. Click on Continue. Our image's resolution is already good, but we can make it even sharper. Click Upscale. Once it's done, click Add to Design. After adding it, delete the foreground image and stretch the upscaled image to cover the entire 16:9 aspect ratio. Once you've properly fixed the upscaled image, let's auto-adjust the colors. Click on Adjust and then click on Auto-Adjust. You can reduce or increase the intensity as needed. If you like what you see, download the final image to your device so we can move to the next stage. Our image is saved. Let's go back to Hedra and start creating. We'll need to generate audio. Click on the hamburger menu and click on Audio. Once it loads, type what you want your avatar to say. I'll say, "Welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Queen, and I will be your tutor for today. If you like this video and find it helpful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you." Select a voice actor. You can pick from the already created ones or generate your own. I'll select Mimi and click Generate Audio. Once the audio is generated, save it to your device. Now let's go ahead and animate our character. Let's give our avatar some oxygen to breathe. On the Hedra dashboard, click on Video, then click on Character, check I consent, and upload the image we upscaled using Canva. Let's add the audio script. You can generate speech, record, or upload audio. Let's upload the one we generated earlier. Here, you can remove background noise if you recorded your voice and there's noise, or change the voice. I won't do any of these. Just add the audio to the video. Click Add to Video. we'll also have to give it a prompt. I normally use this. Make realistic hand gestures and head movements while talking. Click Generate after typing the prompt, and Hedra will start preparing your video. Since we're using a free plan, the video will be queued, but it won't take long. If you're on a paid plan, it processes instantly. All right, our video is now processing. Aw, it's generating. You can skip all of these steps by simply upgrading your plan to a paid one. There you go. Our image-to-video generation is done and dusted. Let's download it and see how it turned out. After that, let's create another one with a different approach.
Welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Queen, and I'll be your tutor for today. If you like this video and find it helpful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
On the video generation page, select your avatar. For the audio script, instead of uploading one, let's generate a speech. Type what you want the avatar to say. I'll say, "This has been another Big Wiz Media tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one." Select a voice actor. Click Generate. Once the audio is ready, click Add to Video. As usual, add a prompt and click Generate. Boom! Our second video is done. Let's download it to my device and watch the final result. Next. Thanks for watching.
This has been another Big Wiz Media tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.